Hello and welcome to another edition of Miniature Air Hockey. We have a cool matchup for you today between the Blizzards and the Pucks. You see the fans are excited. You should be excited as we have an epic series for you coming up. And we're just about to start play here. The Blizzards are going to be in blue and the Pucks are in red, and we are underway. Both sides are already firing off some shots here. And those score here after 10 seconds as that one bounces right out. That was almost a goal for the Blizzards, and the Blizzards lost their stick there, but they quickly recover to avoid disaster. No score here as we near the 30-second mark. The Blizzard were close to crossing a center line there. And they score! It's 1-0 Blizzard, 30 seconds into the game. Here in period number 1. And they score again! The Blizzard are up 2-0. Now both sides are trading off shots. They slap it, they snap it, and they slap it again. It's no good. About a minute left to play here. It's 2-0 Blizzards. They lead by 2. Who's going to come out on top here? I don't know. Well, it looks like the Blizzards so far. Both sides are playing very good defense. And who's going to break first? And the Pucks score! It's now 2-1 in favor of the Blizzards. About 40 seconds left in the game. It's a 2-1 game. 30 seconds left in the period. It's only a 1-point game here. Oh, and that one bounces right out of the goal. And the Blizzards score a goal! And the Pucks score a goal! And the goals are flying back and forth. And the Pucks score a goal! It's now 4-3 Pucks. They actually lead this game. They've been playing well as of late, and the period will come to an end there. The Pucks lead 4-3. They have a 1-point lead here as we go into period number 2. And we are underway here. Both sides fighting for a face-off, but it's won by the Blizzards. As they look to try to tie the game up here. They're down by 1 point here. Now the Pucks have only won 1 game so far this year. So they're trying to change that, and the Blizzard come into this one with the same record. Both sides 1-3, and the Blizzard score, and they tie it up at 4. We have ourselves a good game here. This one's going to come down to the wire. Less than a minute and a half remaining in the game. So that shot's no good. Both sides are trading off some shots here, and the Pucks score! It's now 5-4. And ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this and wonder why the announcer sounds like a crackhead, I don't know, maybe it's because that, I don't know. That's for you to decide. And the Blizzards score! It's now 5-5. Less than a minute to go in the game. It's all tied up here at 5. Both sides are trading off shots. Who's going to break first and who's going to win? Hashtag hype train, everyone. Who's gonna win this game? The Pucks shooting, they're no good. And the Blizzard score! It's now 6-5 here with 30 seconds left. And they score again. They're now up 2 with 30 seconds to play. They might have just sealed this game. But who knows? We have to look and see. As the Blizzards are firing off shots here. They are just trying to beat them up. And they score again. They're now up 8-5 here. 15 seconds left. They're trying to close out this game. And the Pucks score. It's now 8-6. But we got about 5 seconds left. And this one will go to the Blizzards. The Blizzards will win this game 8-6 as you see them celebrating on the ice. And it's time for our annual meme break. Look at this meme. Look at the dankness. Look at how terrible these memes are. These suck. And, Jesus Christ, Will. Apologies for the language. Okay, so Wuhan Music, Talib Entertainment, our sponsors. You guys know the deal. Yeah, Hype Train. Yeah. All right, we start game number 2 here. And the Blizzard win the face-off and they score. And they lose their stick again. But they quickly recover and get off a shot. It's 1-0 here. And the puck scores! Now 1-1. We're all tied up here at 1 minute and 40 seconds left in period number 1. In case you missed it, the Blizzards won game 1 8-6. Oh, and that one pops right out there. That is ridiculous. That's like the 4th series in a row where the blue side has had several shots just pop right out. And they score there. It's now 2-1 Blizzards as they lead here midway through period number 1. And the Blizzards score there. It's now 3-1. They look good. They're continuing their solid play here in the game number 2. That shot goes in for the Pucks, and it's now a 3-2 game. This one is getting exciting. The Pucks look to shoot. It's no good there. No good there. Blizzard come back firing, and their shots are no good. Both sides are playing good defense so far. It's only a 3-2 game here as we near 30 seconds left in the period. Game 1 was exciting. Game 2 is exciting. And the Blizzards score. It's now 4-2 here. And they score again. They're now at 5-2. The Blizzards came out to play today. They look really good here. And the Pucks come back and score. It's now 5-3. With about 10 seconds left in the period here. That one almost went in for the Blizzards, but does not go in. Both sides trading off shots here. 4 seconds left. That one almost goes in, but bounces right out. And the period will end with a 5-3 score in favor of the Blizzards. Now we're all set here for period number 2 of game number 2. Who's going to come out and top in this one? The Blizzards are trying to go to the sweep to get back up to 500, and the Pucks need to win this game if they want to stay alive in the playoff race. Because if they lose this, their fate's out of their hands. That one almost goes in. That shot's no good. And that one goes in for the Blizzard. It's now 6-3. That one pops right out of the goal. No good. And their shots go in. It's now 7-3 Blizzards. This one looks like it's all Blizzards so far. They have a 4-point lead here. And the Pucks score, and they make it a 3-point game here with just over a minute left to play. Who's going to come out on top in this one? Shots are no good. They're trading off some good shots here. They're just firing the puck at each other. Keeps bouncing around. It's like a ping pong table out there. It's a 7-4 game here. That one almost goes in for the Pucks. And the Blizzard come back and score! Now 8-4. 45 seconds left in the game. The Blizzard trying to take this series and move to 500. And the Pucks, with a loss here, would be on the brink of elimination. So they got to get something going here as they almost score there. 30 seconds left now. The Blizzards just trying to close it out. Shots no good. Both sides are just firing the puck at each other violently. And that one goes in for the Blizzards. And they take a 9-4 lead with 10 seconds left here. They look really, really, really good. Trying to stay in the playoff race. And that puck bounces right out for the Pucks. And that one bounces out too. And the game will end in favor of the Blizzards, who sweep the series. The fans are just going nuts. They're going cray-cray for Blizzards. The Blizzards won game 1 8-6. And then they took game 2 9-4. The Pucks got outscored today 17-10. And their fate is out of their hands, as whatever the Bears and Ice Dragons do will determine their fate. We'd like to thank you for watching this edition of Miniature Air Hockey, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.